Good morning, YouTube, and welcome back to my channel. We about to do some new things on my channel. On my channel. So I am currently at the post office. The way I did this though was really extra. So like, if y'all know, like, once you go home, you don't want to come back out. Like, let's just be real. Once you go home, you don't want to come back out. So I had to run some errands early this morning around like 6. The post office don't open until 8. By the time I got over to my side of the town again, it was like 7. So I've been sitting out here. I just went and got some Dunkins. I usually get a iced matcha tea and a sausage biscuit. But this time I got a strawberry smoothie and a sausage biscuit with strawberry jelly. If it's not strawberry, I don't want it. But yeah, I'm at the post office. I'm about to mail off, y'all. Look at this idea that I did. Okay. So you see, it's a shoebox, right? In the shoebox it says, happy birthday month. Directions: open 1 card a day on a designated day. And then it's multiple cards. The person I did this for, he loves cards. So I did a little neat thing. This is a shoebox. I just wrapped it up in like some wrapping paper. And yeah, so that's what I'm doing right now. I'm hoping, since I'm already here and I'm sitting here waiting, I'll be the first one in there. Once I go in there, smell this off, and then I'll go home and try to get some sleep before pole class, and then we'll be back. I got y'all. But make sure you guys like, make sure you guys comment, make sure you guys subscribe, and keep coming back. But you know, we'll be back. Blue light. Oh, my hair. I don't mind you. Beautiful. Hey YouTube, and welcome back to my channel. We about to do some new things on my channel. On my channel. So right now it is Tuesday. I'm on the way to the grocery store because it's somebody special's birthday today. Well, somebody special to us birthday. That was my friend. I didn't say hi. Oh, sorry. It's somebody's it's a special someone's birthday. And everybody knows my love language is cooking, so I'm about to actually go to the grocery store and get some food to prepare for their birthday trip. They don't know about this birthday trip yet. Well, by the time I post this vlog, they'll know about it, so it'll be dope. But yeah, I'm making them some pasta, as well as, well, I'm making 2 dinners. I'm making them some pasta as well as salmon, mashed potatoes, and green beans, I think. So I'm about to go get that stuff now, and I'm going to take you guys along with me, of course. And yeah, we're just gonna go from there because I really don't know what I got in store and what I have going on. So yeah, we will see. But make sure you guys like, make sure you guys comment, make sure you guys subscribe, and we are officially back. I wasn't able to record cooking, y'all, but I made some mashed potatoes, green beans, salmon, and some pasta. Come on. Her hair, body. Hey y'all, so excuse how I look, but I am rearranging my whole room. So my boyfriend finally has his own game room, so that's great for me because now I get to rearrange my room. Because if y'all know I like change. I like to move stuff around. I like to get stuff just in different areas, different locations. So that's what we're doing right now. I'll show y'all what it looks like. It's all over the place, but yeah. This is what it looks like as of now. Yeah, all over the place. The dressers right here. This is where his game was set up. And then the bed is turned that way, and there was a TV right there. Now I'm about to make this look like a real room. That's like literally extra like stuff, but it don't fit all the way under the bed. But it don't matter, we're about to bring that out. But yeah, so let's get started. About to vacuum all this empty space. I like to clean like that because I don't feel like it makes sense to not vacuum stuff before you put stuff on it. So yeah, about to do that. I don't really know where I'm about to put everything, but we're about to find out, so stay tuned. So I finally got my side of the room clean. So y'all see these black curtains? I took them off and kept the gold. I don't know why I'm saying orange, it's so late. I think I'm about to wrap some greenery on there. But yeah, y'all, I'm so excited. This is all the stuff that I have right now currently to put in my room. So yeah. Y'all, this was such a failed attempt. Like, I just kept messing up. Blah, blah. Look, I can't even talk right. I just kept messing up. Like, I didn't know how to rap. Like, it's harder doing stuff on other things than yourself. Like, I could rap my hair, but, like, rapping this was hard. Like, it just was not working. And then on top of that, y'all, tell me why it broke later on in the video. Well, it didn't break. I dropped it on accident. I dropped it. So then when I rapped it that time, because, like, I was under pressure, y'all gonna see it. Tell me why it literally did it the best way. Like, I did it so quickly, so fast, so accurate, and I didn't record it in real time. I was so mad. So yeah, just watch my failed attempt. And like, if y'all want to see, I'm not gonna lie to y'all. I'm not taking this out and rapping it again. I'm not even gonna lie. Like, I was gonna say, if y'all want to see it, let me know and I'll undo it. But nah, like, my second attempt was so much better and it looks so great. Like, look at this. How frustrating is it? How frustrating. But y'all, like, the scarf is so pretty, isn't it? The scarf is so pretty. But okay. Make sure you guys like, make sure you guys comment, make sure you guys subscribe. I'm so happy to be back, y'all. Like, I'm in such good spirits. I'm just in a whole different place now. So, like, y'all, like, I just loved y'all so much and I missed y'all so much. So, let's keep it going. So this is the best that I can do. Not even gonna lie to y'all. She's wrapped though. She is wrapped. She looks so beautiful and she goes with the curtain. Oh, let me show y'all the full. Look at her top. Bam. Y'all, if y'all ever just, you know, are thinking about me, I love fake plants. Not real, fake. Okay, so I finished that last night. I have a rug, it's so pretty. I have a bookcase with my crystals. And then I have my books. So, oh, and Simba. Baby, you always gotta get on my rugs and in the curtain. So yeah, I honestly don't know where I wanna put anything. So either I'm gonna put y'all on time lapse while I move everything around, or I'm just gonna show y'all the finished result. Either way, y'all gonna get something. But okay, I don't even know what day it is. I'm just here. Love you guys. Hiding on her daddy's side. Yeah, everything is all over the place. So this is my boyfriend's area. But as I was cleaning up my area, his area got dirty. So once I finish this area, I'm gonna finish his too. But yeah, she's definitely a daddy's girl. Where is she? Case. Can y'all see her? Yep. Okay. She knows I'm on camera. And this is definitely a mama's boy. Say hi. Can you say hi? You don't want to? He be iffy about the camera. Say hi. Say hey. Say hey, friends. Say hey, friends. You embarrassing me. You always do this when I put a camera out. Say hey. Nana, I love you. You want to see him give me a kiss? Look. Let's see. Okay. Give me. Dame un beso. Mwah. Did y'all see that? I don't know if y'all saw that because I was holding the camera funny. But yeah. Love y'all.
so mad I did not record this in real time. I really wrapped this, y'all. I really wrapped this. Under pressure, I'm that girl. Look at her. I am finally finished after I don't know how many days, but I'm gonna show you guys what I have right now, day and night. This is at night. Y'all aren't getting the full, like, y'all gotta see it in person. Here, I'm gonna turn this light off. Oh, if I can turn the light off. Oh, okay. Okay, so like, you got the lights. Oh, I need to move them over. You see, I can still see them now. It's on half. I got the sunlight back there. My mat, my mirror, and my stuff. I'm so happy.